Today, we are diving into something that will absolutely transform how you communicate in English every single day. Whether you are commuting through Delhi's bustling streets, or ordering chai at a Mumbai cafe, or making new friends at Bangalore's tech hubs, the phrases you are about to learn will be your superpowers in real world conversations. Let me start with a request that genuinely helps us grow this channel. If you find today's lesson valuable, please hit that like button. Share this with friends who are also on their English learning journey. And most importantly, subscribe now because we have this game changing lesson series coming your way almost every day. Now, here is something important to understand. Most English learners get stuck because they focus on grammar rules instead of real conversations. But not you. Today we are learning the exact phrases we in India use when traveling abroad, doing business internationally, or simply connecting with English speakers around the world. Let me paint a picture. It's 7 a.m. in Pune. You walk into your office's building cafe. The barista looks at you and you say, "Good morning." That's your first essential phrase. Simple, yet powerful. Here's what you need to know about greetings. Hello and hi are your universal weapons. Use hello in formal situations when meeting a client, a teacher, or someone important. Use hi with friends, colleagues you know well, and in casual settings. They both work, but context matters. Now let's talk about time specific greetings because this is where most Indian learners make mistakes. Imagine you are in Jaipur hotel at 9 a.m. meeting someone for breakfast. You don't say good afternoon. You say good morning. You might say it to the receptionist, the waiter, the other guests. It's polite, it's standard, and it sets a positive tone. You are back at the office after lunch in Kolkata. You bump into your manager at 2 p.m. Good afternoon. This shows you are aware of the time of the day and it's more professional than just hello. Think about this. You are arriving at a conference dinner in Hyderabad at 7 p.m. This greeting has a certain formality and warmth that's perfect for evening events, restaurant arrivals, or evening meetings. Here is the critical part that confuses learners. Good night is not a greeting, it's the farewell. You say it when you are leaving or going to sleep. If you are at a friend's house in Chennai and it's 11 p.m., you are heading home and you say good night to everyone. You are not greeting them, you are saying goodbye. After any greeting comes the next essential exchange. How are you? This is universal. You ask this to your teacher, your friend, the barista, the taxi driver. It's polite. It's expected. It's the second part of every greeting. Now, some common responses. I am fine. Thank you. This is a formal and complete. Perfect for professional settings. When someone asks you, you answer this way and then ask back. And how are you? I am good. This is modern, casual, and very common now. Friends use this. Younger professionals use this. Not bad. This is gold for learners. It means you are okay, you are doing all right. Nothing spectacular, but nothing terrible either. Use this when you are having an average day. The golden rule: always ask back. If someone asks, how are you? And you say, I am fine, thank you, pause and say, and how are you? Or how about you? This makes conversations feel genuine and caring, not robotic. Let's say you are at a conference in Bangalore and you meet someone new. You say, my name is Shaz. Then immediately ask, "What's your name?" Then comes the warmth. "Nice to meet you." This is beautiful English. It's friendly. You can add a handshake or a smile. This phrase opens doors. Use it with confidence every time you meet someone new. If you remember one thing from this introduction section, practicing these phrases out loud every single day makes them automatic. You are not thinking, you are speaking naturally. These words are absolutely non negotiable in English. Please. You use this when asking for something. Don't think of it as optional. Think of it as essential. "Can I have a coffee, please?" "Pass the salt, please." "Can you help me, please?" "Thank you" or "thanks" after someone gives you something or helps you. Thanks is informal for friends. Thank you works for everyone. You are welcome. When someone thanks you, it's your response. You can also say "no problem," which means it was easy to help you. Don't worry about it. "Excuse me." This is your Swiss Army knife of phrases. Use it when you need to get someone's attention. "Excuse me, do you have the time?" You need to pass by people. "Excuse me," and then you move through. You accidentally bump into someone and then you say, "Excuse me, I am sorry." Sorry or "I am sorry." When you make a mistake, you drop something, say sorry immediately. You step on someone's foot. "I am so sorry." This phrase shows respect and awareness. Now, here is a pro tip. Using these words, please, thank you, excuse me, sorry, doesn't just make you polite, it makes people want to help you, want to speak with you, want to connect with you. They are not just words, they are relationship builders. Here is what most English learners don't understand. Small talk is not wasting time. Small talk is building connection. It's the bridge between strangers and friends. Now, here is something. The safest topic in the entire world you can talk about with someone new. The weather. You are waiting for a train at New Delhi railway station. You don't know the person next to you. So you say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" "Yes, it's sunny," or "No, it's quite hot today," the other person replies. You can add, "It's beautiful outside," or "It's a bit cloudy," or "It's a cold today," or "It's humid." The weather is always changing. Everyone experiences it. Nobody feels uncomfortable talking about it. Now you can comment on this moment. You are standing in line at a coffee shop in Pune. You observe something and make a friendly comment. "This line is long, isn't it? This coffee smells amazing. That's a beautiful bag you're carrying. It's been a busy day for everyone, hasn't it?" You are not complaining, you're making a friendly observation. You are connecting over a shared moment. It's Monday morning in Hyderabad. You see your colleague and you ask, "Hey, how was your weekend?" They might say, "It was good. I relaxed." Or, "It was busy but fun." Or, "I spent time with my family." Then you ask, "How about yours?" This keeps the conversation flowing. This is how relationships develop in the workplace. When you meet someone new, certain questions help you understand who they are. Where are you from? This is probably the question you will hear most when you are traveling. It helps people understand your background, your accent, your perspective. You answer, I am from Patna, or if you want to be specific, I am from Jaipur, but I live in Mumbai now. Then ask back, and where are you from? Do you speak English? For English learners, this is huge. And here is the secret. Even if you speak just a little, say yes, a little. Don't say no, not much, because you are speaking right now, aren't you? Show confidence even when you are still learning. What do you do? This is asking about your profession or occupation. I am a software engineer. I am a teacher. I work in marketing. I am a student. Keep it simple. Keep it honest. This question opens conversations about careers, passions, and what people care about. You walk into a shop in Mumbai. The shop assistant asks, can I help you? You have two options. Option number one, you need help. Yes, please. I am looking for blue shirts. Option number two, if you are just browsing. No, thank you. I am just looking. If you see something you like but don't know the price, how much is this? Or more specific, I'd like a coffee, please. Or do you have apples? Or where are the apples? Once you decide, I will take this, please, or I'd like a sandwich, please. After purchasing, thank you. The shop assistant will say, you are welcome. Here's what I want you to understand. Shopping conversations are short and direct. They don't need to be complicated. But using please and thank you multiple times, that makes every interaction smooth, respectful, and appreciated. You're lost in a new city. This is where three phrases become your lifeline. The most important one, and yes, it's what you think. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? This is universal. In trains, airports, restaurants, hotels, shopping malls, everyone needs this phrase. Now, where is the train station? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the airport? After pointing, they might say, it's over there. It's straight ahead. That means go forward. You can ask, is it far? They will answer, yes, it is, or no, it isn't, it's very close. If you are really lost, you can say, I am lost, can you help me? People almost always help when you admit you are lost. There's something honest and vulnerable about it. Or show them a map. How do I get here? This, these simple phrases can navigate through any Indian or European city or any country in the world. You are at a cafe in Bangalore. The server comes to your table. The server asks, what would you like? Or are you ready to order? You can respond like, can I have a coffee, please? I want water, please. I will have a sandwich, please. Could I get a juice? If you are not ready, not yet, thank you, or just a moment, please. If you have questions, what is this dish? What do you recommend? If you are asking for a suggestion. When you are finished with your meal, you can say, the bill, please, or more politely, can I have the bill, please? After paying, always say thank you. And they will say, you are welcome, have a good day. Notice the pattern, please and thank you appear multiple times. This makes you sound not just polite but genuinely considerate. This is how connections happen. You share what you like. I like coffee. I like English classes. I like pop music. I like reading books. Expressing dislikes. I don't like milk. I don't like cold weather. I don't like broccoli. I don't like Mondays. Asking others, do you like coffee? Do you like to read? Their answer might be, yes, I do, or no, I don't. This is simple but powerful. When you discover you both like the same music, the same food, the same activities, you have found some common ground. You have built a bridge to friendship. Sometimes you just need to express how you feel right now. I am hungry. You need food. I am thirsty. When you need water or a drink, say this when ordering something. I am tired. After a long day, you say this when you come home from work or school. I am sleepy. That's when you want to go to bed. I am sick. When you are not feeling well. My head hurts. This is specific pain location. My stomach hurts. Another common one. I am cold or I am hot. This is about the temperature and how it affects you. These seem simple, but they are essential. They are short. They are powerful. They communicate your immediate state clearly. All conversations must end. Here's how to do it beautifully. The simplest is goodbye or bye. Bye is friendly and works in any situation. It's warm without being too formal. If you expect to see them soon, you can say, see you later, or see you tomorrow, or see you next week. Professional and polite is have a good day. This is perfect after shopping, after meetings, anytime during the day. Have a good evening. That's when it's evening. Have a good weekend. Perfect for Friday afternoons. Warm and caring. Take care. This means be careful or stay well. It's genuinely warm. Why these phrases matter? They are not just words. They are the last impression you leave. They are how people remember you. Someone might forget what you talked about, but they will remember if you said, take care, versus just walking away.